Hi all, Planetside Agent here. Today I'm going to take a look at my 600 milliliter cook kit. Well, it's based on the 600 milliliter Toaks titanium pot. And 600 milliliters is 20 ounces. So anyway, the cook kit as it is, and that's including 2 ounces of alcohol fuel, weighs 8.5 ounces. That's 241 grams. So we'll open this up and see what I got in here. Again, I like the little stuff sacks that come with these because they're light and they hold everything together. Now this one, the pot doesn't seat completely because of the alcohol fuel bottle, but anyway, that doesn't really make a big difference. So anyway, got your lid, and inside here I've got a, oops, I got everything in here. Here's the stove. A Fancy Feast alcohol stove. This particular model I have here is one of them I made with the tomato paste can, and that runs a 0.8 of an ounce. And here's the alcohol water bottle or fuel bottle, which is I use a one-shot energy drink bottle for that, and got some waterproof matches. I have some tea bags, a little packet of sugar. I think I mentioned in my previous video when I did the 750 milliliter cook kit that I just add a little bit of sugar to my constant comment tea because it kind of brings out the orange flavor a little bit. Otherwise, I really don't like my teas. This is the only one I put any sugar at all. I like all my teas and coffees except for black. And I've got a little mini Bic lighter in here. Okay, and then I have the windscreen for the stove, which is made from a Foster's beer can. And in the very bottom, I have the little base plate for the stove to insulate it from the ground. So, got this here, got this here. And there you go. Nice little cook kit. Oh yeah, kind of go over this pot a little bit more. Oh, the pot itself, this one, which I'm telling you this, but it probably won't make any difference since Toaks doesn't carry this design anymore. The pot with the lid is 3.6 ounces, which is 102 grams. And the windscreen, oh, I forgot to add that, is 0.2 of an ounce, which is 5.6 grams. So anyway, yeah, this I kind of like this little stove, or the pot. But like I say, they Toaks really cut back their variety, their line of titanium pots. They used to have a lot more different varieties. They've really slimmed it down. And this one they don't make anymore. In fact, they say this is a 600 milliliter, and the comparable one now is 550 milliliters. And my guess is that if you use the 750 would probably still work for this arrangement, but it wouldn't be, I wouldn't be able to store my fuel bottle inside because it would be too short and it would keep the lid from, completely closing, which I guess wouldn't be a deal breaker. It's set a little high, but anyway, that's the only difference. So, and now it looks like all the Toaks pots come with the butterfly instead of these longer ones, which actually I think I prefer these. These have a little bit of rubberization on it, so they're not going to get as hot, and I actually kind of like this pot better. But unfortunately, I guess they went with what sold the most or whatever. Maybe cheaper to manufacture the other type. I don't know. Anyway, so just for size comparison, here's the 750, which I did a video on a couple days ago. And unfortunately, I thought it was 650. I didn't pay that close attention, so I need to go back and update my videos on YouTube, because this is the 750 milliliter, and you can just kind of see the size comparison. And this is the way they have them now with this type of butterfly handle. And I kind of I like this one. This is, I say originally, this is one I built for using when I go out on my breakfast on the kayak, or anytime on a kayak. Maybe I want some tea, I just carry this little pot and I could have a second cup of coffee or make a cup of tea with this small lightweight kit. But I kind of went to the bigger 700 so that I could actually get the Stanley cup in it. And that's be easier to, I'd rather have my tea in an insulated plastic cup like this, easier on the lips than trying to drink it out of here. I guess I could put a something around it so I could drink out of it, or just wait till it gets cool enough that you could touch your lips and drink out of the titanium cup. So anyway, that's one reason I went with the 750, is that way I could fit the cup inside, and it's tall enough that I'll put all this away later. That it's tall enough that this sets flush when I set it in the bag. So anyway, there you go. There's your my 600 milliliter cook kit. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye bye.